This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lermer. This gorgeous Alhambra floor plan is an end unit in the luxurious community of Palmas de Sol. Stunning views abound here. Boats passing by on the Caloosahatchee River may be enjoyed from the kitchen, breakfast room, living room and amp, lanai. While picturesque golf course views may be enjoyed from the bedrooms, primary suite and amp, balcony. Immaculate and move-in ready, this elegant property offers maximum enjoyment of the Southwest Florida lifestyle. Gulf Harbor is ideally located near the Sanibel and Amp, Captiva Island Causeway and Amp, Fort Myers Beach. An abundance of excellent dining options, shopping, medical facilities, and SWFL International Airport are all close by. Gulf Harbor's private golf and Amp, Sport Club membership offer golf, tennis, a state-of-the-art fitness center. Offerings include yoga Pilates, smoothie bar, group cycling and Amp, more, and Amp, a world-class marina. There is a full-service salon and Amp, spa on property as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Lermer at 239-222-0772.